Hi, this is Jay Lakhani, Chief Market Strategist at bindalFX. Investment mastery is a child's play. It truly is a child's play if you can follow the system with discipline and the system is time tested. Just before we go on, I just wanted to tell you about the risk warning. It should be understood that trading involves high risk and you can lose a lot of money. Only surplus funds should be placed at risk, and anyone who does not have such funds should not participate in trading the markets, and it may not be suitable for everyone. Okay guys, so what will I cover today? Low risk, high probability trading, trading discipline. Discipline is the key to success in trading. Without discipline to follow your trading system, you are destined to fail. You may have a very good trading system, but if you cannot follow it, if you self-sabotage, then you will fail. How to cut the losses and let the winners run. Detachment from your trades. When you take a trade, there'll be two things which will happen to you. Either you'll have a winning trade or you'll have a losing trade. As soon as you have taken a trade, basically what you need to do is to detach from it and let the price action do its work. I'll share trader success stories. Very briefly about myself, as I said, my name is Jay Lakhani from bindalFX. I'm the author of this book, Forex Mastery, a Child's Play, which is available from Amazon. It looks at trading strategies, but most importantly, it looks at trader psychology and mental fitness. I'm the author of the Bindal Momentum Indicator. It is a simple price action based system. Basically, for a low risk, high probability trade, all the bars at the bottom must be of the same color. The trigger line must be red, and there must be support and resistances at these pivot points. I also have this pip alert indicator, which basically tells you when to go short or long. The down arrows are basically short trades and the up arrows are long trades. Also the charts illustrating the low risk high probability trade setup. In this case, this was a German DAX. You have got all the bars B1 to B4 same color, a nice 1, 2, 3 above the trigger line, support at the pivots, and then subsequently breaking all these pivots and then making a major move up. I also do live trading seminars worldwide, and yes, you heard it right, live trading. We start live trading first thing in the morning at 7:30 a.m. before the market, the European market opens, right up till the European close at 5 p.m. Basically, what you see me here is taking trade after trade in live market conditions, and you get to see real money trading, and you know what? That's the best way to learn. Today, what I would like to do is go through a chart which had given very good trading signals using the Bindal Momentum Indicator for gold, and that was for week ending 9th of November. This was one chart I had extensively covered in my live trading webinar. I do this every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at the European market open, and also every Tuesdays for the US market close. And this is one chart, as I said, extensively covered, and lots of my members had actually taken the trade. And here, as you can see, is earlier on we had a short signal, and then moving over onto the long, and subsequently you get a very strong resistance, and then prices moving down. I've had lots of traders bank a lot of money from this, and equally I've had traders who, again, a minority, who blew their account simply because they did not follow the system. So here again, I'll be looking at the price action and also the trader psychology and mental fitness. Had a fantastic email from Martin from New Zealand, and he had banked £88,000 this week, purely trading gold. And he just says, Jay, just to say a big thank you for the one-to-ones and live trading webinar and broadcast. It has been very inspiring. Past several months, I have been actively trading gold with your guidance, and pleased to say that this week I have so far banked £88,000 from gold and counting. Yes, I did take a big position and was risking 20% of my account, but most of this was a profit buffer. Thank you for all that you do for traders worldwide, and would love to meet you in person one day and come to your London seminar. And a chance for you to come to New Zealand or Australia, definitely. Well, Martin, this was a fantastic email, and just like you, I have had dozens and dozens of emails from members this week who have been very successful in trading. Yes, in your case, £88,000. Sometimes I've had even traders with £800 or £8,000 or even £80. And all that profit will come about by one, following the system with great discipline. And that is the key. Okay, here is also another email I had from Kevin. Okay, the profit for the day was £20. He says, I had never traded gold, and your recent broadcast has really inspired me. I opened a separate account just for gold trading with £200 equity. My day one was 20% return. Looking forward to taking those mini steps as you keep talking about. After a month, hoping to do full lots. Okay, so again, here is a trader who had never traded gold before, but because I've been covering in my live webinars and trading broadcasts, he says, okay, let me take a plunge. And as you can see, starts with very small trade sizes. Okay, but what is the big learning point here is that see how he is in a buy mode. Okay, it doesn't go in his favor, and not hesitating at all to come out and take that loss. Okay, subsequently this system gives out a sell signal, and it jumps into it, and making very good profit here. And then following on right at the end, the prices hit a very strong support. Again, this was something I had covered in my broadcast. I said 4-hourly chart was at double bottom, and if the prices break decisively, get a 1, 2, 3 below it, expect a mega move. But what actually happened was the prices did break, but quickly got back above the double bottom, and it created a tail. And here Kevin, what he does is he goes long and banks nice profit. Again, £20 from micro lot. Supposing that was a mini lot, it would have been £200, and £200 is a lot of money, which is around £1,000 a week. Okay, and over a 4-week period, that's £4,000 just on half a dozen or so trades, and that is more than the average national wage in most Western countries. Now, supposing if he was trading the full lot, that would easily have been around £2,000, well in excess of that. Okay, what this trader success story illustrates is A, don't get married to the trade, be totally detached, trade in the direction of the signal. If the signal is long, go for it, and if the signal changes or if the price is not doing what you expect it to do, get the hell out of it, take that loss, and don't be afraid to reverse the trade. And equally at the same time, your target is hit or there is a reversal signal, again, take profits and look to reverse the trade. Okay, so back here again onto this chart, and earlier I mentioned about how Martin banked £88,000, and that was riding on the long side and then reversing the position onto the short side, not snatching the profits. Okay, the key point here is the stops were about the trigger point, and every time the market was plunging, he was adding to the winning position. So eventually, yes, he had a big position, and as he said, he was risking 20% of his equity, and had it gone against him, then yes, he would have lost 20%, but as he said in the email, most of it was a profit buffer. Certainly, I don't recommend anybody risking 20%, especially newbies. One should be focusing on 1 to 2%, up to 5% with profit buffer. But hey, if you have got that mental fitness, if you have got a big profit buffer, if you have got the discipline to let the winners run, if you have got the mental fitness to cut the losses, then hey, nothing wrong with that. I'm not somebody who will always say to my members, hey, go by the book and only risk 2% or 5%. No, if the momentum's going your way, go for it, so long as you don't risk the entire portfolio of your trading equity and then blow the account. Okay, and here again, what he was doing was adding to the winners, adding to the winners, adding to, as the market was plunging, really adding, going short, going short, going short. Okay, and that is how he banked that massive sum of money. Now, at bindalFX, can I say that each and every trader who comes to us make a lot of money? Of course not. Everybody's different, right? Trader A is different from trader B, is different from trader C, and so on, right? So long as you follow the system with discipline, right? You do not gamble, you do not risk too much, there's absolutely no way you can fail. Did I have traders who failed during the week? Of course they did. I had some traders who were buying or got in at the wrong price, okay, instead of getting here. So here is the market's going very high, and they feel that they might have missed the move. They want to get on board, but it doesn't do anything. So key with trading is getting in at the right price at the right time. Okay, you don't want to chase the market, especially when it is your first trade. If you have already, say, gotten in here and the prices are plunging, no problem. Add to the winners here, add to the winners here. And once you get a pullback, yes, add to the winners. Keep adding, keep adding, keep adding. Okay, that is the key. But if you haven't got a profit buffer and the prices are far away from the trigger line, the best trades is going to be as close to the trigger line as possible, right? But if you ain't got a profit buffer, or this is your first trade, this is going to be a very, 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 very risky trade, because A, the prices has already moved by quite a bit, and B, it's far away from the trigger. So I had one trader who got in at the wrong price. Prices reversed. Okay, it issued a sell signal, but he did not want to take that loss. And had he taken that loss, it would have been a very tiny loss. Okay, very tiny loss. He should have taken that, but he did not. Right? Why? Ego. I can't take that loss. I got to have a winner. And I bet you even he would have had something like a pound profit he was waiting for. He would have taken that pound, but didn't want to take something like £100 or £150 loss. Subsequently, the market was collapsing. Okay, this is what many amateur retail traders do. They average, i.e. add to the losers. Whereas what Martin was doing, he was adding to the winners. But here in this case, trader B, he is adding to the losers, adding to the losers. As the market collapses, adding to the losers, averaging out. And in the end, it was really tough, right? Couldn't take it anymore and get a margin call. The account gets wiped out, and that's the end. When you risk a very high percentage of your trading equity, in this case 100% on one particular trade, that is not trading, that is not business, that is gambling. Okay, Martin said, yeah, I did take a very big position, but I was adding to the winners, and it was 20%. Had I got it wrong, all I would have lost is 20%. I would still have that 80% to live another day. So guys, that is the key. Success in trading is cut the losses, let the winners run. If the chart is not doing what you expect it to do, get the hell out of the trade. Take that small loss. If the signal has reversed, take that small loss and reverse the position. If the chart is going your way, stay in the trade. Do not snatch the profit, right? If the price comes here, hey, don't snatch that profit. Add to the winners, but if you can't add to the winners, at least stay in the trade. If you are afraid, close half of your existing position and then trail the stops. Ideally, the stop should be way above the trigger line. Okay, but if you're worried, have the stops between the trigger and the ribbon. So you're trailing the stops all the way, and only here you get stopped out. Okay, so instead of taking a small profit here or there, you stayed in right till the end and you make that massive profit. Okay, so that is the key, guys. Success, follow the system with discipline. You got to have that mental fitness, cut the losses and let the winners run. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. Any queries, questions, guys, feel free to email me, bindalFX@gmail.com. Visit my website, www.forexmentor.net. Do follow us on social media. This is my Forexpedia page and Genius 1008. Here you can find lots of items to guide you, to motivate you, to lift you, and have that mental fitness. Quick review of the bindalFX products. Full day live trading seminars. I do this worldwide. My next seminars is on Wednesday, 13th of November in London at Fineco Bank. I shall be doing live trading as well as coaching traders on trader psychology and mental fitness. If you'd like to attend, just DM me, message me via the website. Also, I've got a live trading seminar on 4th of December 2019. It's near Gatwick Airport in West Sussex. Again, this will be a live trading whole day from 7:30 a.m. till 5 p.m. I do ongoing trading webinars every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday morning, and every Tuesday evening. Again, you can look up on the website the Bindal Momentum Indicator, which gives out live trade setups. I do one-to-one mentoring, and if you're interested, once again, do get in touch with us and we'll be happy to guide you. If this video has helped you, guys, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. What was it that you liked about this video? Or what is it that you'd like to see in future? Do share it with your friends if you feel they could benefit from this video tutorial. And yes, hit the subscribe button on the YouTube channel and do visit our website www.forexmentor.net. God bless and happy trading. Goodbye.